Hello and welcome to today's drawing tip tutorial. Today we'll be covering the purpose on why you should use a photo filter in your digital drawings and how they help out so much. I've noticed I've been using a photo filter in so many of my recent drawings, so I figured I might as well make a video to help some of you guys out as well. So let's begin. You notice there's two windows of the exact same drawing that I recently have done. It's because so you can see the before and the after once the photo filter is applied. So you simply go down here to the adjustment layer icon and then select photo filter. This is the default window that opens up. The filter is set to warming filter, which is this orange at 25% density, and preserve luminosity is checked. So what we're going for this Captain America is all this lightning has blue hues on it. So the environment that we have created in this drawing is heavily in the blues or the cooling effect. So if you click up here, you notice there's many different presets. Depending on the effects you're going for, or the effects you have will determine which one you pick. Like I said, for us, we're going for a cooling effect. So simply click that. And you notice instantly now blues are applied to Captain America. See before, his skin tones have now changed. His uniform has now changed. I typically keep the density at the default 25% because what we're going for is for it to be subtle, yet enough to make a drastic difference. Because if you increase this to a higher percentage, you notice more blue hues are being added to the point where it looks disgusting. So if we leave it at 25%, you can adjust it slightly, but for the most part, you don't want to make it too much of a difference. This photo filter affects every layer beneath it. So if you only want it to affect one thing, like here, Captain America, you simply hold Option or Alt on a PC, hover between these two layers, see this arrow, and now click. So now this photo filter only applies to Captain America. Depending on what your lighting effects are will determine the photo filter that is applied. And you can see between the before and the after, this one on the left is fine the way it is, but once you apply the filter, now it truly looks like he's within this environment. And it adds that sense of realism and helps any drawing you have, especially if it has color effects around them. And there you go. That is the quick tip on using a photo filter to enhance all of your drawings. If you found this video useful, why don't you give it a thumbs up? If you're new here, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any new drawing, tutorial, or tip that I do. Until the next video, guys, goodbye.